Hey photographer, Jessica Whittaker here, and today we are going to be talking about how to under-promise and over-deliver with your photography clients. To under-promise and over-deliver means that you are giving more than was contracted. So for example, your contract says that they will receive 40 images, but you deliver 55 to them. Now, why is this important? And actually, you know what? Before we get into why it's important, I want to thank my sponsor, KEH Camera, for making this free photography video possible. KEH is where you can buy, sell, trade in, and repair camera equipment. You can save hundreds of dollars by buying gently used items. Everything that goes through KEH is thoroughly quality inspected, so you know exactly what you're buying, unlike on a social media marketplace or third-party auction site. And with that, KEH also has a quality tier rating system. So you can transparently see exactly where the piece of equipment you're looking into falls, whether that's a like new, excellent plus, or all the way down to bargain. You can over deliver by buying used gear. You do not have to break the bank to show up for your clients and for your best business. Buying used gear enables you to save money and put that money towards other things in your business. There's so many hidden gems on KEH, not just for digital cameras, but for film. You can also buy film stock. You can buy tripods, video accessories, the list goes on and on. If you're interested, I will have KEH linked down below, as well as a coupon code and a selling bonus if you decide to sell some of your gear, whether that's to upgrade from DSLR to mirrorless, or you're looking to sell some of those random lenses that have been collecting dust in your closet. You can save those items from going into a landfill by getting some cash for them on KEH. It's a great resource, photographer. Check it out. I'll have it linked down below, as well as those coupon codes. When you under-promise and over-deliver, it increases your value as a photographer, and the client experience you are giving them makes you stand out from the crowd, from other photographers in your area. It's more likely that you will be able to generate referrals and a stellar testimonial that comes in quickly from your clients. With this, your contract and your booking page are there to protect you and to manage the client's expectations. With what's outlined, you know you will be able to achieve everything that's promised to the client, because sometimes you're unable to over-deliver to a client, especially if it's during a busy season. And if you're looking for a lawyer-drafted contract resource, I will have one linked down below, as well as a freebie for 5 things to include in your photography contract. So let's say though your schedule allows you to over-deliver in way of having a quicker turnaround time, including more images. It creates a client experience that is above their expectations. However, there's an order to this. So I'm gonna share with you 4 things that I do in my own business. Sometimes I do all 4 if it's not a busy season or if I'm not doing a traveling photo shoot weekend. So I live in Seattle, but I frequent New York City. I'm coming back actually in July if you're interested in booking with me. And during that period of time, I'm not able to hit on all 4 of these points. But all 4 of these areas are different touch points throughout the booking process. So take one, take all, brainstorm your own and see what's best for you and your business. Number 1 is to send out thank you cards before the photo shoot. You need to time it so that they will receive the card the day before the photo shoot. A thank you card is the number 1 thing anybody can do, even during their busy season. You can start simple or you can go a little bit more elaborate. For me, I keep it simple. I have some beautiful bright yellow paper, and yellow is one of my branding colors. It's actually my hero color. It's in my headshot, and I simply created my logo into a stamp, and I stamp it on the front, and then I write my thank you card, and then I have a wax seal that was created of the same logo, and I wax seal it just for that extra special touch. And save yourself the time by having return labels pre-written or created as little stickers. Pre-stamp them as well, but you have no excuse to not get this done. Number 2 is to text them the sneak peek images within 24 or 48 hours of the photo shoot. And when you speed up that sneak peek time, your clients are still on a high from the photo shoot, and they're going to most likely text you a mini testimonial that you can screenshot and use in your pricing guide, on your website, Instagram. It's a great way to be able to get their full excitement outside of a formal testimonial from a client. Number 3 also has to do with image delivery, and that is increasing your turnaround time speed. Let's say, for example, in your photography contract, it says it will be 2 weeks until they receive their images. But if you have the scheduling ability to deliver their images in 5 days versus 14, why not go for it? You're going to want to use this free software called Narrative Select. I'll have it linked down below. It's free. It's not just free trial. It's free, but you have to use my link. And with this program, you're able to cut your photo culling time in half. Another easy way that you're able to over deliver to clients, number 4, is the number of images that they receive. However, make sure that this is in your contract. Just like turnaround time is in your contract, in sneak peeks, you need to have the exact number of images they will receive outlined clear as day in your contract. And again, in my recommendation for attorney drafted contracts, she has that fully listed out for you. So you can see that before the photo shoot all the way until the end, they're having 4 hits of being over delivered to with superior customer service. These 4 things increases their already amazing client experience, and in exchange, when you ask them for a testimonial, you will get that testimonial from them, and it will be incredible. Now your mind is going for how you can underpromise and overdeliver in a way that makes sense for your business and your schedule. Make sure that you are covered with a proper photography contract that's been drafted by a lawyer. I'll have my recommendation linked down below, as well as 5 things to include in your photography contract. KEH will be linked down below. It's a great resource, even just to bookmark for later. And photographer, if your business isn't legal and legit, you're not registered as a business entity, you don't do bookkeeping, so tracking what's going in and out of your business money-wise, you don't have a business bank account, maybe these things have been on your to-do list, but you keep putting them off because they're a bit complicated, or they have been complicated until now. Business Basics is my online class where I teaching the 8 essential steps to getting your photography business legal and legit. You're going to walk away not only knowing the exact steps to take in your business, get it legit, but you're going to be empowered in it, and you're going to have an action plan for when to do what, so you actually get it done. If you're interested in enrolling, you can head to jessicawhitaker.co/businessbasics, and I'll see you on the inside. And if you're looking to join a kind, encouraging, and inclusive photography community, check out my Build and Bloom Photography Facebook group. This is the best place to ask questions regarding tricky client situations or feedback on your website. It's free to join. Just search up Build and Bloom in Facebook groups, or click the link down below in the description box. That's where everything you could need from this video is. I believe in you, and I believe in your business, and I'll see you over in my next video. Click right here to watch and to learn.